You think an NFT is just pure art? A digital image that can be hung on the wall in the metaverse of the future. Well, that's it. But the basis of an NFT is above all the certification of a property. Each digital NFT certificate exists only once and is unforgeable due to the fixed programming in the blockchain. With a utility NFT, the owner receives not only a work of art, but also a share in a project. This is called fractional ownership. Welcome to the universe of Infinity Masters. We see ourselves as a utility NFT factory. This means that we found various community projects that, in addition to highly sophisticated art, above all represent a participation in a high-potential business model and can provide you with a passive income. Infinity Masters is the ultimate opportunity to benefit from the best and strongest NFT projects on the market without expert knowledge and with individual capital investment. Everything works mobile from your phone or laptop without any risk that your shares can be deleted from the blockchain. NFT and Metaverse are called Web 3.0 for a reason. It's the web of the future. We are facing a step like the invention of mobile communications, the invention of social media, or the invention of Bitcoin. It's up to you to decide if you'll be there in time this time and get into the real world of NFT and the Metaverse before others know about it. The person who sent you this video will be happy to invite you to our next free webinar, where you can find out more. Discover the universe of NFT and Metaverse and start your successful future with Infinity Masters.